permission of Giga Academy, today we are going to see a free online competition. So, without further ado, let us get into the competition. JSJC, that is Jindal School of Journalism and Communications, India's first global media school, presents JSJC Young Storyteller Competition 2021. Competition theme: to say that novel coronavirus has changed the world be an understatement in the span of a few months. The pandemic altered the ways we work, learn, interact, and the way we approach our health and surroundings. This pandemic has left each one of us with our own set of learnings and stories that we look back to for years to come. The Jindal School of Journalism and Communication endeavored to bring these stories out and invites young minds who witnessed and experienced this era during teenage years. Write to us or send in your recordings on the theme How the Pandemic Changed Me and be a part of this one of a kind young storyteller competition. Exciting prizes for 3 entries. Gift vouchers worth rupees 40,000 to 3 winning entries. Gold, silver and bronze winners will receive JGU Young Stories of the Year award and receive a check of rupees 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. Winning entries along with the details of winners will be published on our website and social media handles. Winners get the opportunity to seek guidance from veteran journalists like Professor Thomas Goldstein, Professor Kishle Batarji. Eligibility and rules: all individual or group may submit entries, but only one entry is allowed per individual or group. An entry will be considered valid only if it's submitted in the form of an Instagram post. The post must be including the hashtag JSJC Young Storyteller. The entries must be entrance original work and would not defame or not breach any copyright or contain anything that could be deemed offensive or inappropriate. Any material that is deemed unsuitable will be disqualified. Any stories which raise concerns about person's safety or welfare may be referred to relevant support services or authorities to investigate. All entries must not be received no later than 21st June 2021. Entries can either be written or recorded in audio or video format. Competition is open to all students aged between 15 to 18 years old. Written entries should be no more than 500 words. Video or audio recordings should not be over 3 minutes. Multiple entries will be disregarded and disqualified. JSJC reserve the right to request proof of age as well as parents or guardians' consent. Competition rules and guidelines include: competition will be judged on basis of following criteria: the editorial merit and strength of story, originality, motivation for telling story. Judges will be looking to find a range of diverse stories across India, and the final selection of stories will reflect this. Judging and shortlisting will take place in multiple rounds. The top entries per category from the first round of shortlisting will be contacted and their entries verified. Verification will be done by 21st July 2021. In case the entrant fails to get their entrant verified after reasonable attempts to contact the entrant, JSG reserves the right to disregard the entry. The final entries will be put for the last round of judging to be conducted by a JSJC faculty member panel. Register now. Contact them for queries and questions. You can contact them at cmittal@jgu.edu.in. You can also contact them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to following YouTubers including Kavita Isir, Giga Academy, Geet Academy, Competition to Education, EduTeen, Study and You, and Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel and Competite Time / Entertainment Academy YouTube channel. Shout out to Sankalp All-in-One, Craft by Maisa. Please encourage them to do more. Also shout out to Craft with Fatima YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita Sir and all my collaborators and social media partners. See you in the next video.